Last week gold did the exact same as we predicted in our last video. Link in the description. Gold has been trading in this month-old triangle. Last week it pulled back from its hypotenuse and 78% retracement of its all-time high. On Saturday it made bearish belt candlestick pattern that confirmed bearish trend. Before hitting the bottom of this triangle, we have three resistance in the way to be broken. If we include May 2020, then we have room to 1800 without hitting the bottom. This was the technical analysis. Now move on to fundamental analysis. Trump said last week to reopen US economy in phases, and one company said it has tested vaccine and results were positive. Based on both, we have clear bearish trend. Gold is not going to $2,000 unless or until we have daily candle breaking this triangle and closing outside and above 78% retracement of all-time high. That's confirmed clear bullish trend of the next decade. So this was the weekly analysis. Now move on to intraday. On 4-hour chart, we have this wedge. The lower side of this wedge was retested. On Tokyo season, we can expect a retest of this line. On 1-hour chart, we have more clear picture. The wedge and resistance. If we goes up, we expect the psychological resistance and horizontal resistance as 1708 and the lower side of this wedge. We can have perfect bearish entry here. Subscribe this channel for more technical analysis video like this.